Hello and namaste. Welcome to an episode of Edison Nepal. Edison Nepal is a channel that serves you interesting social, historical, and natural aspects of Nepal, including other fascinating information. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please provide your feedback in the comment section below. Well, here in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most interesting aspects of Nepalese history. Nepal fought with Britain. What that we call is Anglo-Nepal War. The war started at 1814-80 and ended at 1816-80. Today, world praises our soldiers for being fearless and hails them as Bir Gurkhas. The genesis for the same lies in the most brutal Anglo-Nepal War. This war was the key as to Nepal's sovereignty. The war was fought between the Royal Nepal Army and British East India Company from 1840 to 1816. The military capacity of Nepal was mere 14,000 army, armed with domestic weapons such as kukri and swords, while the mighty British fought with 22,000 men, first campaign, and 17,000 men, second campaign, immune with modern-day ammunition. Well, now I'm going to explain about overview of the war. Nepal was at the peak of her expansion, extending as far as Kumaon Gadwal in the west, Tista River, Sikkim in the east, Tibet in north, and British sphere of influence, Awadh in the south. Nepalese started occupying the Tarai of Butwal, which was under the protection of the British. That became the immediate cause for Anglo-Nepal War. Now let's talk about Battle of Nalapani. This was the first battle of Anglo-Nepal War. The battle took place in the Nepalese fort of Nalapani, present-day Dehradun. British viewed Nalapani as the gateway to cripple Nepal. The fort of Nalapani was under the command of Balabhadra Kunwar with mere 600 men, compared to 3,000 men of the mighty British led by General Rollo Gillespie. British realized conquering Nepal won't be easy when Nepalese warriors put a sword through General Gillespie's gut on the very first day of what they thought would be an easy siege. After the death of their commander, British called for more reinforcements of additional 2,000 soldiers from Calcutta. Despite considerable odds, both in terms of numbers and firepower, Balabhadra and his strong garrison successfully held out against more than 5,000 garrison of British for over a month. After numerous unsuccessful attempts to seize the fort directly, British changed their tactics by cutting off water supplies to the fort, awaiting Nepalese to surrender due to thirst. But to no good, brave Nepalese warriors didn't surrender. Having suffered 4 days of thirst, Balabhadra Kunwar and his 70 surviving Nepalese warriors successfully fought out of the fort, surrounded by the besieging force in all directions, yet successfully escaped to the nearby hills. British seized Nalapani. After having suffered notable damage to the military and suffering loss in the national treasury, Nepalese called a truce. The disgraceful Treaty of Sugauli was ratified on 4th of March 1816, bringing Anglo-Nepalese War to an end. According to the treaty, Nepal was to give up all of Sikkim, including Darjeeling, Kumaon, Gadwal, and Western Tarai, and in return, British East India Company would pay Nepal rupees 200,000 annually. Dear viewers, please tell me, how did you find this magnificent story of Nepalese history about how Nepal bravely fought against British government? Please provide your comments. I'll be very happy to read about that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.